There are a few advantages of using data validation to create a drop-down list. You can choose in advance what text or numbers you want to be allowed to be inputted into a cell. You can prevent others from adding unwanted data. It helps keep the data tidy, which makes it easier to sort and filter later on. And it also makes the data more compatible with other data or databases. In this video, I will show you how to create your list, turn your list into a data validation dropdown, add input messages and error alerts, and amend any of the above. First, we need to create our list. In this example, I am going to create a list of titles that I want to appear in the drop-down list. You can put this in a column that you're not going to use, or you can put it on a separate tab. In this example, I want my drop-down box to appear in column A, so I select the cell or cells where I want it to appear. Once you have selected your cells, go to the Data tab at the top of the screen, and then Data Validation, and then Data Validation again. Click in the Allow box and select List from the drop-down. Click on the icon at the edge of the source box. This will minimize the source box. From here, you can select the list that you have previously typed. Press Enter to take you back to the data validation box. From here, you can see your data cells in your source box. You then have the option to ignore any blanks that you may have picked up. Please make sure that you have selected In Cell Dropdown, as we are creating a drop-down list. This is optional, but if you would like a message to pop up, go to the Input Message tab and type in your message in the box. In this example, I have just typed Select Title. Also optional, you can have an error alert pop up if someone tries to add something that is not on your list. Go to the Error Alert tab and enter your error message. In this example, I'm going to add Try Again. In Style, you will see you have 3 style choices to choose from. These are how the 3 options will appear once somebody tries to enter a name that is not in your drop-down list. Having selected Stop will prevent the option from being inputted. Warning will allow the option to be inputted if they click Yes. And Information will allow the option to be inputted if they click OK. Note that Stop is the only one that will prevent them from entering the wrong information. If we hover on our first validated cell, you will see my little input message pop up, Select Title. The data can now be added in one of 2 ways. You can click the arrow next to the cell and select the required option, which is our drop-down list, or you can type the title into the cell. To check that the validation is working, try to add something in the cell that is not on your list. In this example here, I'm going to type Sir. As it is not in my list and I have used the stop alert, the following message pops up. If you wish to amend your original list, just go to the cells where you typed the list and add or delete as required. In this example, I've added Sir and Lady to my list. As before, select the cells, go back into data validation, click the source icon and select or type the cells holding your list. Press Enter when done. Check that the source data matches your cells. You can also amend the input message and alert messages from here. Once you're finished, click OK. If you wish to remove the data validation, select the cells and go back into data validation. From here, you can click Clear All at the bottom.